Hello and welcome to the unboxing and quick review of these Sony XB-450AP headphones. XB here represents the extra bass and AP means it is the mic version. I have the red ones here. These are also available in black and blue color. These have a glossy textured finish at the back plates of the ear cups and it's good to look at and feels premium as well. The headphones are mostly made of plastic and feels fragile. Also, I would say the plastic quality is okay and not that good, but at this price range, you also can't complain about it. These have a foam padding in the ear cups, and since the padding is lightweight, it doesn't hurt your head or your ears. However, these probably are not for extended periods of listening. And if you're someone who listens to music for long hours, then you should probably go for more comfortable ones. I found that the noise cancellation is not that good in these since these are on-ear headphones and not over-the-ear headphones. These have a tangle-free wire which is good since the headphones or the earphones wires tends to tangle a lot. This has a 3.5 mm L-shaped gold-plated jack. Gold plating provides better connectivity than silver one. This also have a mic and a call receiver button, and you can use it for music play, pause and next functionality. Comparing these with the Sony XB-950AP headphones, the major difference points are the ear cup sizes. 450s has an on-ear ear cups and 950s have over-ear ear cups. Also, the head cushioning is present in 950s. The metallic frame of the 950s makes it more durable. Now let's talk about the sound quality of these. Since these are from the XP series, they have a good amount of bass, and if you are a bass lover, you should probably go for these. But if you're someone who likes the clarity and definition of your music, then you should probably look for other options. Since in these, the highs are a little bit suppressed and same goes for the mids. Also, these does not give a surround sound feeling and have a two-dimensional sound signature. However, for the price you are getting these at, I would say the sound quality is good and maybe better than the other headphones competing in the same range. So if you are a bass lover and are on a tight budget, then you can probably go for these. These retail for Rs 1700 in the Indian market right now. That's it for this video. I will see you in my next one.